In this video, we're going to answer a question that we get from a lot of our Amazon advertisers. What do I need to optimize my campaigns for on Amazon? Well, the answer is not very easy and varies on a case-by-case basis, but we can kind of show you what this client is doing to give you an idea of what Amazon does. So first of all, Amazon optimizes with a 7 or 14 days window, meaning that you get a click on a top of funnel campaign. As long as they convert within a 7 or 14 days, depending on what you're using, this conversion is going to show up on the campaign the click was generated on. However, there are a lot of low funnel campaigns, also called bottom of funnel or branded campaigns, that they do get a lot of conversions. But if you were able, like you do in Shirofune, to isolate those campaigns on a 7 or 14 days view, their amount of sales gets much, much lower. That's because Amazon uses a click and view conversion type. Specifically here, I've isolated Amazon to look at the type of conversions that we get, and I filter the word click. If I scroll down, you can see here there are two conversion actions. One is called purchase, click or view, revenue, and the other one is called purchase, clicks, revenue. The purchase clicks revenue essentially tells you that if a top of funnel ad gets a click and then a bottom of funnel ad gets a click, the conversion gets attributed to the bottom of funnel. And that's what Amazon is by default set up to do. But they also add the view through conversion tweak. So if somebody clicks a top of funnel ad and they view an ad bottom of funnel, the sale gets attributed to the bottom of funnel as well. So in this specific case, the client was only using the 7 days initially and noticed zero revenue allocated to the bottom of funnel campaign. The moment we added the click and view conversion type, the sales matched the ones that we had on Amazon for the bottom of funnel campaigns. Eventually, the client decided that for him the click was important, meaning if somebody clicked on the bottom of funnel ad, he wanted the sale attributed there, but he decided not to use the view component of it, which is what Amazon by default does. So we're just sharing that in case you guys are having a similar issue. And if you have any questions in regards to what's the best way to optimize your campaigns on Amazon and what attribution system you should use, feel free to contact us and we will be able to look at your case and find the best solution together.